Hey to Relate, Volume 1. Ain't no turning back from here. King, BCB, what it do? Y'all ready? Good. Let's get it. Going in. Y'all niggas look surprised and shit. I know what the fuck it is, man. Don't act brand new. The same nigga every day, nigga. Same nigga. Hold up. Our Father which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses. We forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, power, and glory, forever and ever. Amen. All right. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Freestyle, bitch. Come on.
Niggas stunt when they in the public, even though they know they working on the budget. When it comes to the money, 2 tears in a bucket, niggas go dummy, mental malfunction. And if you want them character, better run to Johnny, aka Bugs Bunny. Love hustling, our ancestors was trendsetters, so we blood brothers. And they wonder why we wear chains and shit. Discrimination labeled us dangerous. 26-inch blades trying to see space, trying to lift the kids so 28's a fit. With my bang hitting, I gained attention. A lot of dick riding from a gang of chicks. King think he the shit, King think he slick. King ain't shit, King take a pic. Ooh, flex for the gram, do it for the vine. Smelling like a pound, I finesse him every time. From a Crown Vic to a 745, seen the chicken heads out, had to bet on my ride. Getting better with my time, every second I shine. This gotta look better in diamonds. The city on fire, you know, tell it when you find me. Fly as a pilot, about to buy me some fly shit. Dropped in the mall like a ball kamikaze. Down right beside me, remind me about Prodigy. I invented swag, I'm a stunt man. Go past, go right into Monopoly. Know that you're watching me, nothing you got on me. Probably get props if you working it properly. High and alive, oh what a time to be. Hot and beside of me, giving me body heat, yeah. Why did you stop the beat? Drop the beat, not on me, fresh as Johnny B. A-list star Tommy Lee, pass me the sauce cause I gotta eat. Look what I got on fleek, got a lot on Versace sheets out the league. Know what you got is cheap, I don't like that shit. About to drop a D, deuce out the roof on your fools, but don't holler peace. I'm who you ought to be, not the you aqua G. Cream of a crop a week, hop in the driver's seat. Been I'm a low, being broke, never bother me. Gone by the moon, leave a kiss on my daughter cheek. Y'all gon' see how you weak, so I gon' keep the mileage. More than a miracle, some luck and a lot of weed. Don't wanna die, but go ahead, take a shot at me. Out of my dream like I'm Dr. King. Born with a gift, nigga roll my ass if King Kong. Take a shit, green stones on my wrist, break dome in the rent toe. Gotta get the chick home, dude getting sick cause the bitch should've been gone. Niggas dead and gone, man, I really do miss those. Goodfellas, Danny DeVito's. I would never forget where I came from. Vendetta, fan letters from past. Remember they would laugh at me when I did bad, nigga. About to buy Ashton to break down gas and the Plex is an ass kicking flesh like a trap nigga. HEB bagging it is ABC alphabet. Trap nigga, living happily ever after. Glock in the cabinets, next to the Baptist. You can't believe you ran with them, Norfolk a rat when I see one. Shots to your tent while you camping, peel out. We used to live at the mall with my nigga Paul. Remember that we all got grilled out. Pull the holes at the nail shop. We used to sell CDs, securities to get the hell out. Soliciting is a big issue here, but the kids wouldn't listen. On the mission was to sell a lot. I see your gun and your stick, but I got one on my hip. Take a pic, either death or the jailhouse, boy. Hold up, man. We drop this motherfucking freestyle, man. Acapella, man. So them boys, how we do it down in Texas, yeah. Shout out to my boy Lil Flip, man. Motivating me while I was growing up, man. But I'm finna drop this shit right here, San Antonio style, BCB, nigga. I say, if you ain't talking about dough, you speaking jibber jabber. Cause heard the word on the street, I'm about to kill a rapper. These big baby ass niggas throwing tantrum tantrums. I swear these pussy ass niggas need to get a tampon. The officer gave me a ticket, but don't hate the dash. I'm trying to get to where I'm going, that's why they make them fast. Man, hold up, drink in my cup, got a fat ass blunt, who's up, don't waste my gas. Rep the BCB like natives rock a nation flag. I'm from the South where boys get dirty, then they take a bath. It's for my niggas in the pen in them cages racked. And all them soldiers in Iraq that didn't make it back. I thank God for a chance to be my daughter's dad. Instead of getting test results doing a Maury dance. I'm a trapper, lose weight like cardiac. Man, hold on. Screw brought it back. Hold on, nigga, bring that shit back. Come on. I'm Mr. King, some believe I'm the next to blow. I keep lean in my cup, never catch a cold. My side bitch keep calling, got a second phone. My ex don't even know she dead, the text would let her know. R.I.P. to Paul, freestyle, same line. Before you rest your soul, I gotta do it one more time. Gucci on my shoes, Gucci on my shirt. All this damn Gucci make a nigga's eyes hurt. I'm the top 5 rappers, hush, no debate. I did my time, I never snitched cause I know the game. I couldn't tell she was mad, had a poker face. I couldn't tell she can gag, had the poker face. Cause every time she see the jammy, bitches relapsing. I beat it up like the back of a beaver, damn it. The pussy left work with a liver absent. And yes, I would starve to death until I feed the family. Nigga.
Hate to relate, the wait is over.